Hello guys, today I will show you how to set a volume limit pin on your Android phone. So let's start from the home screen. So find the settings app, and in the settings app find the sounds and vibration tab. And here scroll down to the volume. Go into it and then in this three-dot menu and then media volume limit. And here, as you can see, you can set volume limit pin code. So then tap set volume limit pin and enter a pin to set it. And then confirm it. So now you know how to set a pin code for a volume limit on your Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.